This channel strictly adheres to ethical guidelines and does not support or encourage any illegal activities. The content shared here is purely for educational purposes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been on the hunt for a completely free remote desktop protocol, RDP server, no signups, no credit card, and no hassle, then you've just hit the jackpot. Today, I will show you how to get access to a free RDP server and how to run it smoothly. Today, we're exploring an amazing website that gives you free RDP access for life. That's right, no logins, no subscriptions, no payments. Just instant, secure, and reliable remote desktop access, ready to go in minutes. Open your browser and type FreeRDPs.com. Here you go. Click on Start Free Trial to proceed. You can explore to get familiar with the platform. This is a very good practice. Now click on Try for Free. As you can see, both packages are free to use. This is amazing, right? Now you have access to two important offers: individual and business usage. Make a choice and proceed. Now copy this details and keep it safe because we will use it on the next page. This is all you need to access your free RDP server now. Make sure you follow attentively without making any mistake. Now, before we continue, hit the subscribe button to enjoy more contents from us. Click on Launch App now to proceed. Insert the details you copied earlier in the appropriate fields provided and click Login. Here you go. Your RDP server is ready for use and it's free. Now you have access to these remote desktops, all available for usage. Make a choice and enjoy. You have access to local files, internet, and many other. Feel free to explore them all. Don't forget to share this video for your friends to benefit as well. Check out the channel for more.